What is good, YouTube? Ray Kicks here, back with another video. In today's video, I got another sneaker unboxing. In today's video, we unboxing the Fire Red 4s, bro. So I haven't dropped one of these since in the past. I'd say the last sneaker unboxing was probably like 3 months ago, and that was the off-white SB Dunk in the University Red. So I decided to do it for the Fire Red 4s. Just because I haven't done it in a long time, and I might start doing more of these because I've been getting a lot of sneakers, but I haven't been wearing them, so might as well just unbox them. And just to show y'all, I'm gonna unbox them and give you another on foot as well. And if you want more of these in the near future, just comment, show support, because you guys showed a lot of support on the last sneaker unboxing I did with the off-whites. You guys viewed it a lot, gave it a lot of likes and support, and I like it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for that. But if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, y'all. Here we got the box. You know, just standard Jordan 5 box. Got the Nike Air at the side of them. 10.5. Did I get them 10.5? Yeah, I got them 10.5. It's my size. I thought I got them 10 at first, because usually I get 10 too, but that's on certain shoes. All right. Ooh, it's like I opened the oven and just all that heat came on my face, dude. Pause. Pause, bro. Ooh, I'm sweating a little bit, man. As y'all can see, the paper kind of, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Come on, focus, focus, focus. It's not really focusing. But the paper is the same color as the, or no, not the same color, but the same pattern as the box. It's this. Like this, like spray paint, like, it's not elephant print, I believe. So can't say that, but. All right, there it is. Yeah, you kind of see it a little bit. See it. But enough said on that. Let's get the actual shoes out. Oh. Here they are. Actually, did they shit with the leather on these? These feel good as hell. Oh my god. At the bottom, so we got the original Nike underneath. Yes, sir. And it came with an orange hang tag. It's not the little standard hang tag that it comes with though. It's like a cheap plastic one. I don't like that. I like that thicker plastic one. If y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know. Sheesh. These is fucking heat though. I want them to re-release them the Thunder 4s. The black and yellow ones. Those are my fucking favorite, bro. Let me see the other one. Let me see the other one. Oh man. These is fucking heat. I missed out on getting the bred, so I made sure I didn't miss out on the Fire Reds. I had to get these, no cap. Got the Nike Air and the back heel tab. Oh yeah. These is hard. And the thing about the Jordans, I like the Jordans with the retro colorways and the Nike heel tabs, or like on the 6s, the 5s. That shit is just so hard. Or like the 5s with the 23 at the side. Oh my god. These right here, these gotta be my favorite this year. My fucking favorite so far. shit so far, and it's basically the end of the year, so he's like one of my favorites of the year. But enough of that being said, they didn't come with no other shoelaces, did it? Let me see, hold on. Nah, they didn't come with no other laces. Enough of that being said though, I'm gonna lace these up for the on foot, and I'll get back at y'all then.